start.
Hi everyone. Today we'll be seeing Bandhani Bomma saris. So these saris have been a huge hit for the gowns. So the cloth of this sari is linen cotton. We have sold like more than 100 gowns in this pattern in all the colors. So many have requested for the saris as well. So we'll be seeing the saris as well in this video. So it will be sold as saris as well. Whoever is interested, they can book these saris. The price of all these saris is 1450 each. So this is the Bandhani Bomma sari. Apart from the gown, for the sari also it looks very good. So as we have a very huge demand, so we have again got from the weavers, we have restocked it twice. So this is the best selling of ever in this whole catalog. All the saris are equally very good and sold equally very well, but black in the gowns, it has been a huge hit. Yeah, so this is the sari. On whole the sari you will be having the bandhani design in the white color, and this is the border you will be getting. This has been a huge hit for this border itself. So this is the border with the colorful dolls or lady images you will be having for the border, with two antique zari borders you will be getting. So this is how it looks, and this is the very beautiful and cute design blouse you will be getting. So this is how it looks. First sari is in the black color. The price is 1450, and the pallu is also very beautiful. This is the pallu you will be getting. So this is how it looks. The price of the sari is 1450. Now we'll start seeing the colors. Next one is in the yellow color. This is a very beautiful and a bright yellow color. So this is also one of the best selling colors in this catalog. Every sari, every color is a best selling one. So this is yellow Bandhani Bomma. You can just take a screenshot and you can just message me the color of the sari. So this is how it looks. We have equally good reviews for the saris and also for the gowns. So this is the blouse. In the same color blouse you will be getting, with the white color butta and antique zari to the hands. So this is how it looks. This is the pallu you will be getting. The pattern is same for all the saris, and this is the pallu with the dolls or the lady design. Okay, this is how it looks. This is in the bright mehendi yellow color. So this is how it looks. Yellow Bandhani Bomma. The price is 1450, free shipping. Next is pink. Pink in the saris, it is, people have taken more in the saris. So this is also very beautiful, nice bright pink it is. So this antique zari borders on both the side, it looks very beautiful for the sari as well. So this is how it looks. The blouse is also in the pink color, like for all the saris. With this is the blouse design with the small beautiful small dots butta design you will be getting. So this is how it looks. Pink Bandhani Bomma design, and this is the blouse. Sorry, this is the pallu you will be getting. Blouse we have already seen. This is bright pink Bandhani Bomma design. The price is 1450, free shipping. Okay, pink Bandhani Bomma. Next is aqua green. This is the aqua green Bandhani Bomma. We'll open it. All are best selling colors, and you just need to pick your color of your choice, or your taste, or the color which you don't have. This is the blouse you will be getting for this. This is how it looks when you open the sari, and this is the pallu. So this looks very good if you wear it on single pallu, or on if you put the steps as well, because you will be getting antique zari on both the sides of the border. This is aqua green Bandhani Bomma design. The price is 1450. This is a new color. This is dark sky blue, or nice sky blue color it is. Yeah, this is how it is. you can just pick the color of your choice or the color which you don't have. So on this blue color, this antique gold zari looks very good. I mean, like, it is looking more good because of the body of the color. So this is the blouse. Same blouse you'll be getting like the butta. Yeah, this is how it looks. If you see on top of this blue, this antique zari is looking more elegant. This is Anand, or like dark sky blue Bandhani Bomma. Price is 1450. This is the pallu. Okay, this is how it looks. Next is the subtle shade. This is in the gray color. Very subtle gray it is. All are in bright color, so this is one subtle shade we have. This is how it looks. Nice, very subtle and fancy color it is. Sorry, this is a subtle and a fancy color. It is in a mild gray color. Blouse is also in the same color with this design. This is the blouse. So this is how it looks. So on the subtle color, when you get the colorful Bandhani Bomma dolls, it looks very good. All are bright colors, right? So in this particular color, the body of the sari is subtle, and the color and the border is in the color multicolor, so it looks a little different compared to the other colors. So this is how it looks. This is the pallu, and blouse we have already seen. This is subtle grey Bandhani Bomma. Price is 1450. Next we have another top selling color in the gowns and in the saris as well. This is in the orange color. This is a bright orange color. This is a bright orange color, like it is a best selling. Next to black color, this bright orange is the next best selling in the gowns. So if you want to take it as a sari, you can take it as a sari also. This is how it looks. Nice bright orange color. The blouse is also in the orange color with the white booties. This is how it looks. The price is 1450. So all over you will be getting this orange with the white color bandhani, and this is the pallu. This is how it looks. Orange color, bright orange bandhani bomma. Price 1450. Last but not the least one, dark navy blue color with the colorful bandhani bomma design. So this is how it looks. So all the sarees are very pretty, and all the sarees are equally best selling depending on the color choice of the people. And this bandhani bomma only we have it. I mean, like, we have manufactured it and got it from the weavers. Nowhere you can find it the same design. Maybe they can now copy and sell after it is best selling here. So this is the blouse. Blouse is also in the dark color, the navy blue, and this is also one of the best selling one because some people like blue color. So this is how it looks. So when the border comes on the top, so this also looks very good with the antique zari, antique silver zari mix it is in the border. So this is dark navy blue bandhani bomma. So this is how it looks. Yeah, this is how it looks. This is the pallu. Pallu is also nice colorful dolls you'll be getting. So yeah, there are total 8 shades in this bandhani bomma design, and whoever wants to book the color of your choice, you can just take a screenshot and you can message me. The price of each saree is 1450 free shipping. Yeah, yes, and happy shopping. Thank you.